What is good? Welcome back to the channel. Like I said in my last video, I'm doing a couple of things today to get ready for the Atlantic City Truck Show this weekend. The second thing I am doing is just installing these black Tacoma emblems. It's got the two on the sides and the V6 in the back. They sent this sticker, thank you. So we're gonna get these put on and have one more thing after this I gotta put on. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do, and you wanna do this with anything that has like a sticker or it's some adhesive part or something you're putting on your truck. First thing you wanna do, it's all about prep work. So anything on here, whether it's wax, ceramic, just any residue, dirt, or anything, you gotta get that off or you're definitely not gonna get a good stick. So the first thing you're gonna do is, this is just isopropyl alcohol. Put that on a rag and that is gonna get any residue on the piece off. Make sure you get it clean real good because, like I said, any adhesive parts, it's just all prep work. Putting on a sticker is easy. Today I don't have to worry about using a heat gun. It's like 90 degrees out here right now, but just 90% prep work. You get top, bottom. If you really want to get crazy, take a Q-tip, get in here. Any extra lengths you go is just going to make it stick better. All right, once you have it clean enough, make sure it's dry. Alcohol dries quick, so it should be all right. All right, once it's clean, go ahead and take your piece out. All right. Anywhere where there's this red, obviously, that's gonna be the sticky stuff. So you're just gonna go ahead, peel it off, and put it on. Nothing really to it, pretty easy. Like I said, all this is just prep work. So you can go ahead and take that off. Make sure all the red comes off. And then you're just gonna go ahead and put it on. Give it a nice press. And that's it, pretty simple. If it's cold where you're doing it, definitely post heat and preheat. Preheat the adhesive and the surface you're putting it on. You want everything to be the same temperature, nice and tacky before you put it on. Like I said, it's like 90 out here right now, so we're fine. And that's it, that's one. All right, I'm just gonna repeat this process all the way around. Like I said, I only have 3. This is a quick install. All right, that is it for this video. The next thing I'm gonna be installing, and the last thing before the show, is this access tonneau cover. I'm not gonna be doing a full install video of it because I'm running out of time. I've got work coming up and I just wanna get this done. If you want, drop a comment below. I can do like a before and after and a review on the tonneau cover, but I'm not gonna be doing a full install video because there's other ones out there and I'm running out of time. Stay tuned.